Hello friends, welcome back again. uh it's been a long week, you know. For weeks now I've not posted any video, because I was very busy. I have a lot of work at hand. You can see a lot of switches are fixed already. These are the ones that are fixed that has problem. These all are Cisco switches, all of them. These ones here are Cisco switches. I fixed them already. They are working properly. These ones are the ones that I need to fix back. These ones have problems. These two lines here, you can see, have problems. I'm working on a lot of work here. Look at all of them. So I've been very busy. Although this is not the only one I fixed. This one is not the only one I fixed. I've fixed many, and many has been taken, you know, taken out. So that is it. So back to the business we have today. You can look. I want to discuss something today. I want to clarify so that you, as a networking engineer or a networking personnel, when you come across some issues, you will know that this is a software or hardware problem. That's it. Then I wanted to discuss something today, and I'm going to show you. I like when I'm talking about something, I'll be showing you. So I have a uh, Cisco switch. You can see it. Cisco switch 29C0 plus series. That says PoE. This guy, if I plug it here, it's supposed to be blinking here. That's supposed to show light here, but it doesn't. And this guy has a hardware problem. Sometimes this issue can be caused by software, but this time around it is hardware, and I'm going to show you the reason why it is hardware problem. Okay, then if you do the same to all, as it doesn't show anything. It doesn't show anything. It doesn't show anything. But it's booted normal. And I want to show you the reason why it is a hardware problem. Let me remove it from the back. And this problem only occurs in Cisco's on PoE switches. On non-PoE switches it doesn't happen. I want to show you. It is booting right now. It is booting. After this stage, there's a stage is going to flash all the light. You will see there's two orange lights at the system. You will see it right now. It shows us it is a problem. There's a problem. You will see the orange light. After this blinking, you will see it. It's going to flash two orange light at system here, and RPS is going to show. I'm going to zoom it so that you can see it very well. After this stage, all the lights supposed to flash after this stage, supposed to be green all throughout. After this step, it's supposed to green, all green color, but you will see it will change to orange. These two first will change to orange. You see orange color. The first two light up. You see? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? These two orange lights show that there's a problem, and this problem is a hardware problem. It can happen when there is a component is heating up inside, or maybe drop in voltage. This can cause it, and when such thing occurs, the PoE cannot work. The PoE cannot work. This is a hardware problem, and when you see this kind of a issue, just know it's a hardware problem. Don't bother unless you are into maintenance, or if you're into maintenance, you can go and you can subscribe to my channel. Anytime I load into any video, you can be able to because all I teach is about Cisco switches. Any switches, not only Cisco switches, but mainly about switches. So that is it. You will learn a lot because I've gotten a lot of experience in this kind of things. So I'm going to show you another issue that um is I'm going to show you. Anyone I show you, I will tell you that this is this or that, whether it's hardware or software problem. I will show you. Oh, this is another issue. I'm going to show you another hardware problem. When such thing occurs, you know that this is a hardware problem. I'm going to show you this one. Look at it. It's off. I want to plug the cable at the back. Plug it. Look at it. All the lights are on. You can see all the lights are on. All of them are on. You can see it. So this issue is a hardware problem. This one is a hardware problem, not software. So that's it. So when you see this kind of problem, just know that this is a hardware problem. You can take it to a hardware engineer. If you want to learn hardware, you can subscribe to my, because with time I'll begin to show how to do some maintenance. Although I've taught how to fix this in one of my videos. You can check up one of my videos at the YouTube. It's in my account. You see this where I solve this kind of problem. I already posted it. Is on my account there. You can go and click on my YouTube channel and see it there. I'm gonna show you another one. This is a same problem with the other one I showed you, because the other one, although the other one doesn't have any front cover like this, I just brought out this one to show you. This one is Cisco 356 PoE. Look at the problem. You can see the problem it has. All the lights are on steady like this. No movement, no leave, no transfer, no changes. If you leave, it's going to be like this till tomorrow morning. So this is the same problem, is the same hardware problem, and all this problem, with my experience, I face this kind of issues, all of them. But our topic today is just to show you the difference between softwares and hardware problems. Just sit back. I'm going to show you another one. The reason why I'm doing this today is so that those people into networking, you may encounter this kind of problem, and it will be giving you a hard time. The reason why I'm doing this today is so that when you find this kind of problems, you know that it is this or it is that, so that it will not give you a headache. What it will take maybe a minute to do, it will take you the whole day, and you'll be sweating. So I am doing this video so that you will know the difference between software and a hardware problem. So that is it. So I have another case here. This one is booting. This has a problem, and it is a hardware problem. It is a hardware problem, and the issue is at the end of this booting, because after it shows the full light that's going to the final booting, show the complete light, all the lights are on, then you will see that this system will start blinking. You see, it has started blinking again. This is a hardware problem. It has started, that it is restarting is a hardware problem. this the microcontroller has problem. The switch microcontroller has a problem. So it's a hardware problem, because many problems that I have right now are hardware problems. But I will still show you a software problem. Yeah, so, software issues. Anything, that's a problem that the software can cause. All these ones I'm showing now are hardwares. Okay, this is another hardware problem. You can see that the light is steady. I'll this let me check. The switch is a Cisco 3750. So it is PoE. You can see that it's PoE. You can see it there. So this is, I will show you the reason why this is a problem. I'm gonna remove it from the back. I'm gonna remove from the back. It's off. When I plug this right now, all the light is going to flash. That's initial light is going to flash, and we go to that system and it will stop. You see, all the light flash, then it go up and stay. You see, it's not blinking. It's not blinking at all. If you leave this till tomorrow morning, it will still be like this. And I have also solved this problem. When you check up this is a frozen boot. You can check up my videos at my YouTube channel. You can check frozen boot. You will see I fixed this problem already. But this one is for engineers. This is not a software issue, because sometimes you on it like this to just flash and be steady like this. You think it's coming, it's not coming. In Cisco switch, it is made that everything is happening from stage to stage immediately, from one stage to another stage. That's how it is. But this very stage don't supposed to be uh, on a standstill like this, because there's no other light. It's only this one. Let me remove it again so you're gonna see it. Oh, it's off. I on it again. All I flashed, it go back. Sometimes this guy is going to blink. Sometimes it's going to blink maybe up to 5 or 6 times, maybe up to 30 times. Then it will go to this. When it goes to this, it's going to stay a whole lot of time without going anywhere. So this is a hardware problem. Okay. And another issue, that one is this particular issue now. It will be blinking like this. You see it's blinking. It will blink for a very long time. Even if you leave it like this till tomorrow morning, it will still be blinking like this. This is a software problem. You can give it to a software engineer to fix it. This is a software. The person that does sometimes it happens when the MAC address is lost. So it is a software personnel that can fix this. I can do this for you. This one is a software issue. It will be blinking like this for a very long time, till infinity, not even to a very long, to infinity. So this is a software problem. When you see this kind of a thing, a software personnel can do this. Can put a iOS, a new iOS. You can install new iOS, remove everything. So that is it. This is a Cisco switch. This is a Cisco. Cisco 375G. You can see it's still blinking. It's supposed to have passed this stage by now, but it's still blinking. So this is a software problem. You see it's blinking at system. It doesn't come off. It's still blinking, still flashing light till infinity. So this problem is a software problem. For today, I think this is the last one I'm going to show you for today. And maybe next time we'll continue. This is the last but not the least. Okay, this one is a Cisco switch. Let me show you. Cisco 3750 PoE. So this is a final stage before it's booted. It will boot. This is the second to final stage, or you call it final stage, because after this stage now, it's going to be ready. After this stage, CO2 is too light, huh? After this stage now, it's going to be ready, and there should be light at this status. Status means okay. This is the last one I'm going to show you. You see, there's an orange light here. You can see that. This is an orange light. This you can fix this. You can do this yourself. I will show you how to do it. This, whenever you see this kind of a thing, just know that the fan has problem. When you look at the two light down is green. This one is green master. Sometimes you will not see master depending on the switch, but you will see start green. When you see any green light here and the orange one up, this one is red like this. When if you plug PO, you can still work. It doesn't affect anything. It doesn't affect anything. I'm gonna show you. When you plug PoE, it's going to work. Are you seeing it? When you plug it, it's going to work. It doesn't affect anything. It's going to work properly, but it is good that the fan is connected. So I just deliberately disconnect the fan so to show you, because sometimes a switch will come and show something like this, and because customer cannot manage this like this. So what you do is just exchange the fan inside, remove the fan, put another one. Sometimes when the fan is bad, it will be this thing will come up, this sign. The first at system, you will see orange color light. This when it is ready. Then down, you see at start, you will see green. See as master, it's not all switches that has this indicator at master, but some will show you only start and system when they are ready, only two lights, some three light, like this one is three light. You can see that. So this is a fan issue, fan problem. Let us connect the fan. So I've removed the light and open it as well. So look at it here. This one I deliberately remove this one. Are you seeing it? I deliberately remove this guy. So what you're going to do, sometimes the fan may be by one fan, depending, because some switches has only one fan, some has three fan, like this one has three fan, one, two, then three here. So even if others are good and one is bad, it will still show the same sign. So you have to replace the fan. Like look at this one. I put it, let me put it here. Okay, let us boot it again. So let's know whether it's back to normal again. Oh, on it. It's now booting. Please like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And you can ask your question down below. You can ask your question. I'll come back to it. I'll answer it. I will give you a reply. Just if you have any issue, leave a comment below. Any encounter any problem you're having with Cisco switches, just leave a comment there. I'll reply you. Okay, you see it's ready now. You see the red, there's no red light here showing that the fan is okay, the fan is working. So when you come across something like that, it's only when you see it is only one the indicator that is orange green, especially this system, you see orange something like that, and others are showing green. And when they are ready, just know that the fan has problem. So thank you. Please, yeah, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell me what you want. You can bring up if you have any difficulty and in one of your Cisco switch you're fixing, or you have any problem you encounter during networking, you can share it with me. You just leave a comment below.